You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this member of the K-pop group, BABYMONSTER. If you want to learn more names of other members that many get wrong, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. I know it's a bit confusing. It's pronounced in Korean, Pharita. She was born in Bangkok, Thailand. Pharita. Yes, I know. It's the spelling suggests it should be said Pharita, maybe Fajita, but no, it's not a Fajita. Fajita, it's Pharita. Therefore, in English, the pronunciation is as Pharita. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.